Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Glamlite unboxing. This is my first time with a Glamlite. I have not used their products before, and I'm super excited to take a look at what I got. But before we get into that, if you love all things beauty and all things makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty content every Wednesday and Sunday, and lifestyle content on Fridays. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, so this is the Glamlite Foodie Box. I purchased this leading up to Black Friday. They were having like a deal. It was $45. I don't remember what they said the value of the box was, but it was $45, and then I had some sort of coupon, so I got like $6 off of that. So I think all in total with like tax and delivery and everything like that, it was $44. So really not bad, and I'm super excited to take a look. I love their packaging. I love how everything is like food themed. It's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We're going to take a look at what I received in this box, and then we're going to go ahead and try it out. Alright, so the first thing I have here is the Glamlite Parlor Powder Brush, and this is a huge powder brush. It looks super cute. They even have nutrition facts on the back. So it says the ultimate powder brush. It was created to perfectly apply and blend powder products onto your face evenly for a seamless and flawless finish. And that's what the little nutrition facts looks like. Super cute, and this is cruelty-free and vegan. I'll go ahead and open this up and see how the brush feels. Alright, here is the brush. And it is super soft and fluffy. I think this will be about perfect for a powder blush. The handle has this almost like pink smoke texture in it. Super fun. And just to compare, this is like my normal powder brush. They are pretty much the same size, so I think I will really like this brush. So that is the first thing we received. The second thing I received here is the Glamlite Sugar High. I believe this is a highlighter. And this is, again, super cute packaging. And then, again, they have nutrition facts on the side. Luckily, this is 0 calories. Thank goodness. Though I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to eat it. And then in the back it says, experience the delicious glow with our one-of-a-kind sugar highlighter. Our ultra-luxurious buttery powders were specifically formulated to provide a long-lasting radiant finish like you've never witnessed before. Our innovative smooth-to-the-touch formula blends effortlessly into your skin to create a gorgeous glow without any caking. Deliver a breathtaking multi-dimensional type of radiance with each strobe as you illuminate all of your favorite features. So I'm super excited to try this out. I do have my base makeup already applied, as well as a little bit of bronzer and some blush and brow products, but past that, everything here will be Glamlite. All right, here is what the little pod of highlight looks like. This is in Sugar High, and it's a really pretty shimmer. It's kind of champagne-y. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on my hand. It's kind of champagne-y. I think this will be a nice highlight without being like too over the top. So super excited to try that out. All right, next up in here we have the Glamlite Donut Lip Glaze, and this packaging, again, super adorable. This makes me want to have some donuts. And even like the little Glamlite logo down here looks like Krispy Kreme. That's just super cute. Let's see what the lip product looks like. Oh, it's a really pretty gloss, like really, really pretty. It's kind of like a peachy pink with a gold shimmer. So that's gonna be really nice. I do know that they just recently, I mean like very recently, today is December 5th. They just recently like announced like a holiday gift set with like new eyeshadow palettes and everything like that. It's like pie themed. Super cute. If I hadn't already bought this one, I probably would have been buying that one. But if you have not tried Glamlite and you're interested, I think these kits are awesome because you can try a lot of things for not a lot of money. All right, the next one we have is Caramel Frappe. This is either another gloss or it's like a liquid lip. I'm not sure. Lip gloss. It's another lip gloss, yeah. So again, packaging is on point, super adorable. And I imagine these probably smell similar to what they're called. I didn't smell the first one, but I will smell them now. And this again is like the perfect gloss color for me. I absolutely love it. It's kind of more neutral, not like super pink. And yeah, 100% it smells like caramel latte. Oh, love the smell. And then let's smell that donut one real quick. It really, I don't know how they do it, but it really does smell like glazed donuts. Okay. I end up wanting to eat everything. All right, and next up, we have 3 more things here. So next up, oop, I am dropping stuff. Next up, we have the Glam Donut Eyeshadow Palette. Look at how cute this is. I am so excited. Oh, I am super excited to take a look at this eyeshadow palette. If I could open this real quick. Oh, that is super fun. It's squishy. It's like 3D squishy. And then this is what the eyeshadow looks like. It's one of them is a little broken, which is kind of a bummer. But this is what the colors look like. Super pretty. These are not like normally colors I would go for, if I'm being perfectly honest. Let me actually get that one that's broken. Kind of tap that out a little bit. It wasn't like super broken, just a tiny bit, so not a huge deal. These are not really the colors I would go for normally. They are definitely more on the brighter side, but I think I can definitely come up with a super fun look today with this palette. All right, next up we've got the strawberry lashes. So we do have some faux lashes. I'm super excited to try these out. They look super dramatic, super fluttery, super fun. So I will definitely be putting these on today. Oh, there's 2 kinds of lashes. Oh, maybe I'll put these on instead. These are the cupcake lashes. I think I might like these a little bit better. They still have that like full drama, but they're a little more like wispier, where the other ones are like more gathered. So I may go with these. We'll see. It depends, I guess, on the eyeshadow look I create. All right, I'm gonna clean this up real quick and then we're gonna get into actually trying everything out. All right, I am super excited for this eyeshadow. I do already have an eyeshadow primer on. And then after this video, I am going to be filming my giveaway video, which when this video comes out, the giveaway will have already aired. So I'm kind of like backwards filming, but I am super excited. So we're gonna make sure I do a nice look so that I am ready to go for my next video. All right, so let's see, what kind of a look are we going to create? I think I'm gonna have to go with something like really bright and crazy. I really kind of wanted to stick with these 2 colors, like this brown, chocolate brown, and this like gold shimmer. But that's basically what I would always go for, so I feel like I should definitely kind of go out of my comfort zone with this one. I think we're gonna go with purple because purple is my favorite color. I kind of wish they had like a neutral shade in here to use as like my transition shade, but they don't, and I really want to stick with just using this eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna go in with this matte purple shade called So Sweet. And I am going to put this basically in my crease. I guess I'm just going to blend. I'm going to do a lot of blending to kind of disperse that like kind of onto my lid as well. And right off the bat, these are pigmented. That's actually really nice. Right now I'm just kind of tapping it into the crease. And then I'm going to come back with a blending brush and blend that out. Now this color is the one that came broken in my palette, but like I said, it's just barely broken, like a little chip of it fell out, so it's not a huge deal. Okay, that is bright purple. I'm going to come in with a blending brush and I'm just going to start circular motions, kind of blending that to soften everything and blend it onto my lid as well. And it's kind of almost turning it into like a nice lilac-y, lavendery color. Okay, I actually think that's pretty nice. So now what I will do is go back into that same purple, and now I'm gonna deepen the crease. Since that really did a nice job kind of like diffusing it, I'm gonna go back in and kind of use this as the crease color. These are performing pretty nicely. All right, the ultimate test. I'm gonna first go into this color Grape. It's this super shimmery purple. I'm gonna use my finger to do a swatch. Oh my gosh. Look at how vibrant that is. So I am going to apply that. I'm going to start with a brush just to see how it applies. And then I'm probably going to go in with my finger because that applied beautifully with the finger. But I do like to test it out with a brush just to see how they perform. And I'm going to go in my inner half of my lid. I'm definitely kind of trying to pack this on again. It's actually working okay with a brush, but I'm definitely having to do more of a packing motion. Okay, so now I really want to kind of deepen that crease a little bit more. I think the purple looks really nice, but it is a little monochromatic. So I am going to go in with kind of like a smaller, pointier brush to this chocolate color. And I'm going to kind of deepen the crease a little bit in the outer corner. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with this because it is quite a different color, but I actually think it's nice. Okay, I'm actually kind of liking that. I'm going to also go through again with the So Sweet and bring it under my lower lash line just to kind of spice things up a little bit. I'm going to go in with this goldish shade, Maple. I'm just curious what that will do if we apply it. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. I'm just kind of tapping it over the shimmer purple and kind of making my own color here. You can see the difference between the two. It almost makes it look pinky on camera. All right, I think I'm pretty happy with how the eyeshadow turned out. These shadows perform really nicely. Like, they are very pigmented, they blend really nicely. You can kind of get multiple looks with them without going like over the top. I mean, these are a lot brighter than I would normally go for, but I think that this looks pretty nice. So the other thing I don't have that did not come in this box is a mascara. So I am going to apply a coat of mascara before I put the lashes on. But let's do that now. So I do have my coat of mascara. I might need to do some eyeliner. I'm not sure yet. Basically, once I put the lashes on, sometimes you can like kind of see the band from the lashes, and I like to blend in a little bit with some liner. So at that point I will, but right now I'm gonna try it without the liner. And then I think I just decided that I for sure will try the cupcake lashes. So I'm gonna grab my glue and I am going to apply them now. I'm probably gonna just do it off camera and then I will be right back. All right guys, I am back and these actually applied beautifully. I didn't even need to put a liner on. They kind of like blended right into my lash line, or I just did a better job applying it onto my lashes. I'm not sure, but I love these. These are super fun, super, what's the word? Dramatic. They're super dramatic. Yeah, I think they look great. Let me look up, make sure. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm happy with the eyeshadow look too. Okay, so now we're gonna go into highlighter. If I can find where, oh, there it is. And we're just lightly going to apply this to the highlighter spots. A little heavy. And last but not least, we're going to do some gloss. I'm going to go in with the Caramel Frappe. All right, the gloss is on. It is not super sticky. It has a pretty nice consistency. I love the way it smells. It is the perfect like nude color for me. It is coming up a little bit more orange like on the screen, but in person it is really nice nude. And like I said, it's really not sticky. It feels nice and smooth. I would say for my first impressions, they are awesome. The eyeshadows performed beautifully. They may not be always like my cup of tea. The colors are usually pretty bright in their palettes, but I think this is like a really fun look, and I was able to kind of get more depth using, you know, just a couple of the colors. The lashes perform beautifully. I am really happy with how they went on, and I really like the gloss. The highlight, I am not a highlight kind of person, but I am really digging how the highlight turned out. I will definitely put Glamlite on my future to order from list. I loved everything that I tried, and like I said, the eyeshadows color-wise weren't necessarily like what I would normally gravitate towards, but performance-wise, they did great. But yeah, I am super excited to film my next video. That is the giveaway video. If you haven't already seen it, I would highly suggest watching it so that you can enter the giveaway before time is up. Let's see, I don't even know when this video is going up to know when to tell you when that one's ending. The giveaway will be ending on December 11th so that I can pick a winner on December 12th and announce it on that Sunday's video. But yeah, so if you haven't already seen that one, go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked up above for you guys. But yeah, this was such a fun video, such a fun look. It kind of took me out of my comfort zone, and I'm really happy it did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post beauty content on Wednesdays and Sundays, and lifestyle content on Fridays. And until next time, guys, bye.